Hello everyone, with your programs in this video we create profile screen. Now we open lib, data, service, Firebase Firestore service, and we create function get my posts. Write future, write list, write post response, write get my posts, write required, write string, UID, async, and we write try catch, and we open old function get posts, copy information, then we write where, add UID create, and we add is equal to UID, save, and then we open repository, Firebase Firestore repository, write future, write list, write post data model, write get my posts, write required, write string, UID, write async, then we write final, result, await, Firestore service, get my posts, write return, result, to get posts, write result, save. Then we open blocks, add folder profile, then we write profile block.dart, write profile event.dart, write profile state.dart, open profile block, write class profile block extends, write block, and we write profile event, write profile state, add constructor, and we open profile event, then we open profile state, add profile state, open profile block, add part, and we write final, add Firebase Firestore repository, then we write final, shared preferences service, and we write this Firebase Firestore repository, write this preferences service, write super, write profile state init, write on, write profile event, write event, emit, write event, map, and we write future void, write init, write event, and we add init, next we add preload data, add init, add import, add import, add models, then we add preload data, and now we generate file profile block freeset.dart, and we add file index.dart, write export, add profile block, then we open blocks bootstrapper, write profile block, save, then we open main.dart, add profile block, save, and we open navigation, bottom navigation bar screen, add block builder, write home block, home state, write return state, maybe map, then we write preload data, write init state, write return, write init state, avatar image is now empty, Then we add network image. Right, init state, avatar image. And we update active icon. Copy block builder. Copy background image, save, and now we open view, core, components, and need add loading media. This file we can download to description in the video. Then we open profile, and now we create folder widgets, and we add file profile media item, right, profile media item .dart, add information, then we open profile screen and update this file, and we convert stateless widget to stateful widget, and we add mixin, single ticker provider state mixin, then we add variables, right tab controller, right selected index, right init state, tab controller, right this, and we add event context read, right profile block, add right profile event, preload data, and then we add widget sliver overlap observer, and we add widget info1, add import, save, then we add widget info2, and now we update widget scaffold, add nested scroll view, right return, right list view, right padding, right edge insets 0, then we add children, info1 and info2, save, and we open splash screen, add event profile block, profile event, write init, save, and we open emulator and test our work. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.